In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a user out of their account. Google Workspaces Admin. This is a quick, reliable way to end active sessions for a user who lost a device, left the company, or needs to be re-authenticated after a security concern. You'll need an administrator role with permission to manage users and security settings before you begin. Start by opening the Google Admin console and signing in with your admin account. From the home page, look for the section labeled Directory. Directory is where all of your people, groups, and organizational units live, so it's the hub for actions you take on individual users. Next, open users. This brings up your full user list. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find the right person, or filter by organizational unit if you have a large tenant. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct account, especially if you manage users with similar names. It's always a good idea to double check before making security changes. Click into the user's profile to open their details, then navigate to the security area. This section centralizes authentication settings and is where you can manage things like recovery methods, two-step verification, and session activity. Within security, locate the option called Sign-in Cookies. Sign-in cookies keep a user's Google Workspace sessions active across browsers and devices. Resetting them forces existing sessions to expire, which effectively signs the user out anywhere they're currently logged in. Click Reset. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. Once reset, the user will be signed out of active web sessions and will be prompted to sign in again the next time they access Gmail, Drive, Calendar, or other workspace apps. In many cases, this also impacts supported mobile and desktop apps that rely on the same session, though the exact behavior can vary by app and device. A few practical tips as this takes effect. It can take a short time to propagate, so allow a couple of minutes. This action does not change the user's password or two-step verification settings, so the user will sign back in with their existing credentials unless you've taken separate steps elsewhere. If this was triggered by a security incident, be sure to communicate with the user so they're ready to re-authenticate, and coordinate any additional policies your organization requires. That's it. You've logged the user out by resetting their sign-in cookies, ensuring they must re-authenticate on their next visit while keeping their account and data under your organization's control.